To clean the HEPA filters on the Greenote Cordless vacuum model GSC45, empty the dustbin, press the top release button on the main unit and turn the whole top section counterclockwise and lift up. Pull out the filter. Remove the filter screen from the bottom of the unit by turning it counterclockwise. Turn the back cap counterclockwise to remove the air outlet filter. Rinse the filters and screen under cool running water and allow them to dry overnight or until they're completely dry before replacing them and using the vacuum.